Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use email aliases in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the top left, click on your profile. Now click on integrations, okay? Once you click on integrations, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and find Chrome extensions, okay? Now in here, we have Copper for Gmail. Now what we'll do is just click on install, wait for this new page to pop up and just click on add to Chrome, add to Brave, add to Firefox, or whatever browser it is that you're using, okay? Click on it and there will be a pop-up. Just click on add extension. Wait for it to load. And then once done, right here, it will open up your Gmail, okay? So what we'll do, as you can see here in the right panel, we now have the Copper tab. So just continue with Google and sign in with your Copper account. Continue. Just give the necessary permissions right here. Continue. Just basically follow simple prompts, okay? And by the way, you can go ahead and add your LinkedIn contacts to Copper. Just click on this link. But for this example, I'm just going to click on dismiss. And then here, you can now go ahead and compose, okay? Compose right here. And you'll have this pop up. You're going to want to follow this one. I'm going to dismiss it. Click on extensions right here and pin it, okay? There you go. So as you can see here, we don't have the from option. What we'll do is just go ahead over to Gmail settings, okay? Click on the gear icon right here at the top and click on see all settings. Okay, now in here, go to these tabs and click on accounts and import. And under send email as, okay, I'm just going to close this one. Okay, let's go ahead and add in another email address, okay? And make sure that you took on treat as an alias, okay? As you can see, your Copper is currently unavailable. Let's just close this one. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and add in my secondary email right here. And then I'm going to hit on next. Send verification. I'm done verifying it, so I'm going to close the window right here. And here is my main email. And this one is one of my alias. You can go ahead and add in some more if you want to as well. Now, once that's done, again, hit on compose. And then here, make sure that you don't click on any space, okay? As you can see, it will be gone. But don't worry, you can click on recipients and from will be available. You can go ahead and click on the drop down and select from one of your aliases, okay? Maybe this one, and then go ahead and compose your email, or you can go ahead and straight up import from one of your templates from Copper CRM, okay? Like this one. That's basically how you do it. If you want me to go ahead and create or set up a shared inbox for Teams, okay, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to go ahead and make that video for you. And as you can see here, when we go ahead over to our feed, okay, your emails will be here as well, okay? And that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.